Thea Realty and Finance is a one-stop shop. We do it all from loan, real estate, property management, credit fix, and credit rescore, and so much more. If you're looking to buy or sell real estate, including homes, businesses, or commercial real estate, Johnson Hormuz can guide you through the process. If you're looking for a loan, including purchase loan, refinance, FHA, VA, investment, DSCR, hard money, W-2 only, bank statement, stated income, reverse mortgage, and so many other loan programs, give Johnson Hormuz a call. With over 17 years of experience and several hundreds of successful transactions, he can guide you through the process. If you have no credit, bad credit, bankruptcy, foreclosure on your credit report, let Johnson Hormuz help you to get your loan.
Let me coach you to success. Your success is my goal.
DRE number 017-68924. NMLS number 264726.
بدايش لام ألبني أمتي مغبي خورز خيتا بيا خوديو شارخلا إن من قم شاريت خورز دوديام بيا خزاخن خكمدان بقارة بقرتون واني زي بخلون و ازاخن البشند خورزن بقارة قامة تقد بقرتون و أي وقت إن اختنادية بيتا إتلان بيتا مورجيجو بوريوخ كل دينا لتلن البيتا لازم إلى إنشورنس عبيلن البيتا يا ليلة زيمون إذا نختن دينا ليلة ويوخن البيتا انشورنس کمسیتون عوی لخون یا کمسیتون لشقلیتون انشورنس اینا همش ریکامند ایلاقت اختون عتیز انشورنس شقلیتون لچون راوام دیان کمسی قویمی کامز بیت نویل داوق کامز بیت لویل بقین راوام دیان عوی قد بیتو خاره و خزیانه گورتا مخیه پس لیل قد حتما گر عوی لخون اینا بوش سپایل قد اختون انشورنس زونیتون لا همش انشورنس عوی لخون آل بیته من دی خیت قد اتن ان ادام مورگیج بایو خون ل اختون گر حتما انشورنس اویلو خون و ان انشورنس لا پاریتون لا مورگیج کمپانی تازه خا انشورنس قیمان تقد یو خون زونه و بدمتال خون قد پیودیتون ل پس بوش سپایل همش اختون انشورنس خون بدانا پیودیتون ل بقارا خیت قد اتوا اد جدن دانات ایده خت وایل ریشن خویتا و بلیگه تلفن مخاینه قطعا زیگم خاینه من دکان پریش شماره ده لخ بدایو مینه خم دیگه باقورنا مرا قلدی بشمایوتون یا شیموخو مرا اختون اناشتون و اختون مرتون قطعه هی مرتون قطعه یس اخا اسکم گرتلا عادیه قد اشولا وادونه قد اختون هی مرتون ان رکورد وادونه خارتا باشور نقدیو خون خستری من دیانه لب اجازه دیو خون زبنی پس ادان تدخل نشه زیگم خیلی قطو خون هزانا یس بله قطو لمام تیم الله سالشون خبران خینه مپلخیتون خمندی خیت قد عادیه انکما دانا بیتلا مثلا زیگم خیلی تناخ من برقمیه دکان پریش زیگم خاینه مرختون لم بیل اوکن لتون یه و درنگی تون ادبلم ده برقوخم قطخله میوخم قطخله گرادیه پیودیتون لا ایت اوزورت قد بیانه پیودیتون لا به علم ده به گیفت کارتی لا یا مثلا مرا وایرو دیتون زویزه یا مانی اوردر شدریتون ان کمپانیه انزیه مخی من نوخنم دیان لیتال بیلم تانی اختون آنلاین پی بودون لون یا چک شدرون این من نوخن طلب لون لم ده به گیفت کارت پیودیتون به مانی اوردر پیودیتون دیمون قد اهن لیلا دوس بیان بریشوخن کسی تمتی قد سهش شرویمون قد کسی تلا را بریشوخن خبو قاراخی تقد پشتو بوقرتا قد انا بتفات خاته قد مطروسه نه و نش بشنه بزوانه نه قامو property tax بوش اولولیلا زیمون جو کالیفرنیا property tax إلى خا percent إلى آل قيمة بيته خارتا خا تناخن خا quarter percent بزياد لمن مليان خينه قد بزياد إن آل property tax تناخن آل average إلى خا أسري خمسة إن بغزاد أنا بتفات خا كبسياق لخا 50% خا إشتا خا شوا إتا أبو قار وقت قامو أنا بتفات خات property tax بوش رابلا زيمون إدام تتخذنا company bitayla tanakh imadan trimadan betfat zerza خارلا خارا يرتلا بيانا بتفات وديلون أنا بتفات مو لازم مثلون أنا بتفات مية لازم مثلون برق لازم مثلون سور لازم مثلون أنا بتفات يوتيليتي لازم مثلون أرخى بيانا خب كمپانی قد أن بتفات بيالا زرزالا أنا بيتايلا زاروزلا إنا أو cost أو قيمة قد ألدنا من يعني خاروزلا بيتايلا متويلا يو property tax قد بيتايلا من نوخم بشغاليلا پس ادان تدختون بیایتون خبیت خط زونیتون مکشور بودون امن دی باقریتون من دی کمپانی قدن زاروزلا قد یطیتون property tax خون که مبدویا خکه رابا وایلا قد امسیتون خدنا تصمیم دوز دوقیتون له ابو قارا خارت قد قد يبزا بخلا ای وقت کم ساق بیت زون نخلب داون پیمنت زوز لیتلن in common spila كم ساق بیت زونخ یا لم ساق بیت زونخ جواب دبو قارا ایلهی ان اختون داون پیمنت لاوی لوخون كم سيتون بیت زونیتون جواب ایلهی این اتلا خاسری کاندیشن اتلا قد مدیان خین قد یرگش خخلون قد تنخلو خون قد فورشور لب داون پیمنت کم سیتون زونیتون یلا ایتین اویلو خون بس ده هن بقارا کم سیتون دایرکتلی منی همزمیتون قد هنو ترمز من کاندیشن قد مزه کم سیتون امندی زونیتون له این عادیه اتلن خا ارخا سوگل تیل کسلن عاد منو بهمزمه خکمدن بقارا بقرخ منو قد جوابلون we have a very special guest here today with us. Would you please introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Keith Bishop, and I'm with Old Republic Home Protection. We do home warranties.
Okay. How long you been doing this?
Well, actually, I started in the industry with real estate, and then I got introduced to Old Republic Home Protection as a warranty company, but I've been with them for over 6 years now. So with that organization for 6 years.
6 years. Okay. You know, when someone buying a house, you know, they have like, you know, so many different kind of warranties. They have a title warranty, you know, they have a lender policy, they have a home insurance, and some of them, which I believe they should all of them have, but some of them they get home warranty. You know, tell us what is home warranty at all, you know.
Yeah, so there is definitely a lot of insurance out there. So when you go to buy a home, unfortunately, they tell you this insurance, that insurance, and so forth. So home warranty is actually covered under the insurance umbrella, but it's actually not an insurance product, and it's actually not even a warranty. It's actually called a service contract. And what that does is a service contract, such as a company such as Old Republic Home Protection, we're going to cover items that are in good working order when it transfers over to the new buyer. And if they unfortunately fail because of normal wear and tear, then the home warranty will kick in. So the big difference is when you look at it is like, what do I need insurance for? What do I need insurance for this or that? Keep in mind that sometimes it's an insurance, sometimes it's something that's a warranty. And if it's a warranty, that's based on normal wear and tear. It's not based on accidents. It's not based on other things that typically insurances cover. So there's definitely a lot of insurances, and I would always recommend that when you do go to buy a home, that you should definitely talk to your real estate agent to make sure that you're getting a home warranty, to make sure that as that property conveys in good working order, that those things as they age, which unfortunately things as they age will break down. We just don't know when.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's the whole premise of typical insurance, is that it's a protection plan. So that way, if something does fail, you have somebody else, such as a home warranty, to come in and to take care of it, not only fix it, but also financially take care of that burden. Because a brand new refrigerator might be another $2,000 or $3,000 out of that buyer's pocket. And we all know in this day, in this market, we're typically property rich and cash poor, especially when we start moving into a brand new home. And if things start to fail, we want to make sure that there's some financial burden maybe put off and not us having to take care of that as homeowners. So that's the beautiful thing about a home warranty. You don't have to worry about a car driving into your house You got to worry more so about that water heater breaking down in the middle of the night, or as you start to have friends and family over for the holidays, and then all of a sudden you're starting to use the plumbing and the systems like that, and then things start to fail, or you get stoppages, or you get backups, you know who to call, and then on top of that, there's a financial benefit for that to be taken care of for you.
Okay, it's a peace of mind, basically.
Absolutely.
You know, they buy it, it's valid for 1 year, and then if something happen, you know, you guys step in and, you know, take care of the business.
Correct. Yeah. So the few caveats about a home warranty is that you need to make sure that things are in good working order, and that's why you have a fantastic real estate agent to walk you through that process when you're doing inspections, verify everything is good. And even in the best circumstances, sellers will convey the property in good working order, but it's Murphy's Law. And Murphy's Law means what could happen will happen. And the good news is that when you have a home warranty, that when those things fail, you have that peace of mind. I know who to call, and hopefully it'll be taken care of. Home warranties won't always cover everything, but if they'll at least cover part of it or some of that claim, that's going to help to offset that cost for that homeowner.
Okay, it's peace of mind, you know.
Yes.
When you're buying a new house, new home, you move in, and the things start happening.
Correct.
Things happen when you don't have money.
Correct.
Unfortunately, I don't know why, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
And home warranty, I used home protection, home protection from Old Republic for so many times for so many of my clients. You know, they always, they're happy. You know, I got the call like 2 days ago, and the dryer stopped working, and she said, how much is a new dryer? I said, did you call your home warranty? And she said, no, I didn't. I said, okay, call them first.
Yes.
And then see, what you want to do.
Absolutely.
It's a peace of mind, which, not only for, new buyer, even people, they've been living in the house for a long time, they still can get it, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So let's preface it this way. So when you're going through a transaction with your real estate agent, definitely talk to them about a home warranty. But if you're right now, you have your home and you might want that protection, because especially what we all learned dealing with this pandemic environment was that we were stuck in our houses and we started to learn things are breaking down. Things aren't working the way that they should. And you're more than welcome to call us and get a home warranty. But I would preface you to do this because we don't sell to the general public. We have a basic plan that we'll sell to the general public. But if you reach out to your real estate agent, talk to your real estate agent, even if you're not thinking about buying or selling, they have the program that we work with them on a referral basis, meaning that they don't get any benefit, but you do as the buyer of the home warranty. It's just because, again, they're the professionals in the industry. So when you come to us, but hopefully through your real estate agent, we can get you a better, more robust plan. And on top of that, a better price plan. And you're going to have the confidence to know that you were directed by a real estate professional. If you buy it not going through escrow, now if you do refinance though, you can still get a home warranty, and that will be going through escrow. So you can get that, and then there's no waiting period. So the day you close escrow, whether it's on a refinance or a purchase or resell, then the day it closes, that home warranty is valid. So you can call us right away to get your house rekeyed. We offer rekey service. You just pay your trade call fee. We get a locksmith out there, rekey up to 6 working locks, give you 4 brand new keys, and then that way nobody else in town has your keys. Because I think you brought it up, this is a new house to you, but it's not a new house typically. It's been on the market, or it's been resold possibly a few times. You don't know who's got a key to it. So get a brand new key. That way you feel safe and secure, have that peace of mind. It's your new house. Plus it introduces you to us as the home warranty experts to make sure that we're taking care of you when the thing does actually have a problem. If you're not going through escrow though, there is a 30-day waiting period. So if you paid today, then there's 30 days before you can call in for any claims, even rekey service. That's to prevent people that unfortunately they have a failure and they decide that they want to call in right away to get a home warranty and then have us pay for it. But like any insurance, you don't call after you have a problem. You have to call and get insurance before you have a problem. So whether it's a car accident, home accident, things like that, you want to make sure that you have something in place. So if everything's working great right now, now's the time to call your real estate agent and to get your protection plan in place. And if anything is currently failed, that's of course not going to be covered by home warranty. It has to go through the 30-day waiting period, and on the 31st date, as long as nothing had failed, and as long as there was nothing currently failed, then that home warranty takes full effect for all the coverage that you've acquired at that point.
Okay. Basically, if something happened, they call and they pay a service fee. And then, that covers everything. Even if needed, like second time they go there, they only pay once, right?
Yes, there's always going to be limits and restrictions. So what's called the trade call fee or service fee, the homeowner will pay that upon the tradesman, either them calling in the claim, and they can do it online or they can call us. Online's fast and efficient, super easy. And then they can pay it online or they can pay the service provider at the time. Typically, it depends on what plan they have because we have different levels of coverage. Okay. If they have the most robust coverage, then most of the time, yes, it's just the trade call fee they pay and nothing else. We cover everything else up to certain limits.
Okay.
So like bringing up the refrigerator. So like on our refrigerator, we have a $5,000 limit. So if they have a $6,000 refrigerator, they'll pay their copay plus the difference above that $5,000. Or they can possibly just say, well, I just want to get a little bit cheaper of a refrigerator, and then they would just pay the $85, and then we put a little bit less expensive refrigerator in there. Suffice to say is that we also give them a 30-day period after that trade call has been made. So if we do come out and make a repair, and if unfortunately the item breaks down again within that 30 days for the same issue, then they don't pay another trade call fee. But if the 31st date shows up and they have another failure on the same system, same problem, unfortunately, they will pay another trade call fee. And again, as a home warranty company, our first goal is to always do the most cost-effective option to either repair or replace. Today, sometimes we get a home, and we have no age restrictions, by the way. So it doesn't matter if you're buying a home that was built in the 20s, or built in the 60s. We don't worry about as far as how old that is, or even the systems that are in place. So that dishwasher that was put in there in 1970 conveys with the property, it's working, but unfortunately breaks down. We might not be able to find parts to repair it. So our most cost-effective option is to replace it. And on replacement, we always replace with like kind, meaning that it's the right capacity and the right features. So unfortunately, if it is a 1970s dishwasher, it's probably going to have very minimal features. But the good news is that if you've bought more of a modern appliance, or those appliances have been upgraded over the years, then if they have those higher features, then we will replace it like kind under the limits. So again, that refrigerator. So if you have, in some of our beautiful areas here in the Bay Area, you might have a built-in refrigerator. Those built-in refrigerators sometimes are at a price tag of $10,000 or more. So that, the like kind, our option would be to just cash it out at $5,000 max. Or now we just came out with an enhancement for appliance enhancement. So for an extra fee, when you buy the policy, we'll cover for another $5,000. So for some of our upper end appliances, Wolf stoves, and higher end refrigerators, I would definitely recommend that you talk to your real estate agent about getting a little bit of an upgraded home warranty to cover those items. So that way you'll come out of pocket very little, if at anything at all.
Okay, that's beautiful.
Yes.
When something happened to the home, and people, they call homeowner insurance. Homeowner insurance steps in, they fix some of the problems. But the following year or next few years, the policy, the price goes up. But that doesn't happen with home warranty, right?
So let's make a distinction between home warranty and homeowners insurance. So as you had stated, home insurance has been going up and up and up every single year in the state of California for sure, just because of all of our items that are happening. And homeowners insurance, again, covers the perils and hazards that you as a homeowner might suffer. And that would be like a hailstorm that destroys your roof, or even your car, or somebody slips and falls at your house. Or let's say in where we kind of work together on home warranty and homeowners insurance. So your water heater stops working, but instead of stopping working, it actually starts to leak everywhere. So it causes damage. Those damages are covered by home insurance. Home insurance covers damages and things like that that are covered. Then they'll say, well, you still have to take care of your water heater because now you still have no hot water. So that's where the home warranty will step in. So we don't take care of the damages, we take care of the appliance that failed due to normal wear and tear. Now, if somebody drove their car into the garage and hit the water heater, then at that point, home warranty doesn't take care of any of that because that's not standard wear and tear. Homeowners insurance should take care of all of that, damages, and including a replacement water heater because that was what was affected from the car backing into it. So it's kind of a basic example. But just keep in mind though that homeowners insurance, albeit it goes up and it's kind of just across the board, home warranty will still go up year after year due to inflation and also due to usage. So if you do have a lot of claims in one particular year, you may either be denied renewal or you might also be just charged a little bit larger of a premium. So keep in mind that unfortunately it still is treated similar to an insurance product that a lot of usage will either deem it non-renewable or possibly at a higher rate.
Yeah, it's
just like
there,
homeowners insurance.
Yeah, it's over there to protect people, but some people, they abuse it, obviously,
Yeah.
and they cost everyone.
Correct. Yeah, and that can be true on homeowners insurance everywhere, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. All right. Thank you so much, Keith. Thank you for coming here.
Absolutely.
We'll post your information for our clients. If they have any question, they can call you or they can call me so we can answer the question.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you. أبيتون بسيم خزانة موقع به خرز دودیان لخ پرقلا إن أبي لخون خبو قارا كم سيتون تكس مخيتون لي إيميل مخيتون يا قاريتون لي بخدوتا بقارو خم زر بخلم أبيتون بسيم.
Bethia Realty and Finance is a one-stop shop. We do it all from loan, real estate, property management, credit fix, and credit rescore, and so much more. If you're looking to buy or sell real estate, including homes, businesses, or commercial real estate, Johnson Hormuz can guide you through the process. If you're looking for a loan, including purchase loan, refinance, FHA, VA, investment, DSCR, hard money, W-2 only, bank statement, stated income, reverse mortgage, and so many other loan programs, give Johnson Hormuz a call. With over 17 years of experience and several hundreds of successful transactions, he can guide you through the process. If you have no credit, bad credit, bankruptcy, foreclosure on your credit report, let Johnson Hormuz help you to get your loan.
Let me coach you to success. Your success is my goal.
DRE number 017-68924. NMLS number 264726.